Hello everyone. Today my topic is optical fiber. So what is optical fiber? So optical fiber is a device used as a transmission channel for carrying a light beam. So basically optical fiber is a device which is used to transmit a signal in the form of light. So it is a very thin, long and flexible medium of cylindrical shape as shown in this figure. Uh, and the optical fiber consists of a silica glass of very small diameter surrounded by the refractive index less than that of the silica glass. So this is a silica glass which is also known as a core, and its refractive index is suppose mu1, and the glass surrounded the core, and this glass which surrounds the core is known as cladding, and its refractive index is mu2. And in this system the mu2 is always greater than mu1, and the core and clouding system is enclosed in the jacket of the plastic and polymer, and this jacket protects the optical fiber from external hazard like moisture and mechanical shock. So what is the optical fiber and how it is work? So optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection of light. So what is total internal reflection of light? So as we can see in this diagram, uh, if the light if the light ray incident on this structure mu1 and refractive index of mu2, if the light ray incident at the angle less than that of the critical angle, then it get refracted at other face. And if the light ray incident on the core cladding surface at the angle theta c, the light ray travel in this path. And if the light ray incident at angle theta I, which is greater than theta c, it get totally internally reflected from this surface. So this is a total internal reflection. So at due to this process it will do the multiple reflections. So due to these multiple reflections, the light signal will travel easily in the form of the light signal may be easily travel in the cylindrical shape of optical fiber. So this is a working of optical fiber. And next our topic is acceptance angle and acceptance cone. So what is acceptance angle? So the ray of light travel along the length of the optical fiber by suffering the